Gaming PCs in 2025 are more powerful than ever, delivering insane graphics, high-speed performance, and next-gen cooling systems. In this video, we're breaking down the best gaming PCs of 2025 to help you find the perfect one for your setup. iBUYPOWER Y60 Black, stylish and powerful performance. The iBUYPOWER Y60 Black is a high-performance gaming PC with a custom dual-chamber design, making airflow and cable management effortless. Powered by an Intel Core i9-149KF processor, NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, and 32GB DDR5 RAM, it can handle 4K gaming at max settings with ease. If you want both power and aesthetics, this PC delivers. Check the description for the latest deals. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, high performance for the price. Looking for a gaming PC with great value? The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is powered by an Intel Core i7-1470F, RTX 4070 GPU, and 16GB DDR5 RAM, making it perfect for 1440p high refresh rate gaming. Its Legion Cold Front 2.0 cooling system keeps temperatures in check, ensuring smooth and consistent performance. If you're looking for a reliable pre-built PC without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. Find the best pricing in the description. MSI Codex R2, built for speed and smooth gameplay. The MSI Codex R2 is designed for serious gamers who need raw power and speed. Featuring a Ryzen 9790X processor, RTX 4080 GPU, and 1TB Gen 4 SSD, this machine delivers ultra-fast load times and buttery smooth gameplay. With its MSI Mystic Light RGB case and AI-powered cooling system, it's a gaming powerhouse that stands out. Check out the link in the description. Corsair ONE i500, compact powerhouse for 4K gaming. For those who want a compact gaming PC with extreme power, the Corsair ONE i500 is a beast. Equipped with an Intel Core i9-149KS, RTX 4090 GPU, and liquid cooling, it delivers next-level performance in a small form factor. Whether you're playing at 4K Ultra settings or using AI-assisted rendering, this PC is designed to handle it all effortlessly. Find the latest pricing in the description. Alienware Aurora R16, the future of gaming performance. The Alienware Aurora R16 brings cutting-edge cooling and performance with an Intel Core i9-14990KF processor, RTX 4090 graphics, and 32GB DDR5 RAM. Featuring a redesigned airflow system, it keeps temperatures low even during intense gaming sessions. If you want high refresh rate gaming, AI-powered performance boosts, and futuristic design, this is the PC to beat. Check the description for exclusive offers. Which gaming PC would you pick? Let us know in the comments. Watch the full video now and check the description for links to all the featured gaming PCs.